my top 10 favorite squishies. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I will be doing my top 10 favorite squishies. And also, I am so sorry that I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks. I've just been busy. Like, I have school, I have volleyball, my sister has volleyball, and so it's just really crazy. It's just really busy, and I'm so sorry. But anyway, yeah, so I'll be doing my top 10 favorite squishies. And yeah, so let's just get straight on into it. So my first favorite squishy, which this is not in any like order, but my first favorite squishy like that I just picked up is this mini Mikey pan. And I'm really sorry for the lighting. The chicks are back there. So like the red light is right there. But yeah. So here it is. It's really satisfying. So my next favorite squishy is this, the BB Boo Boo Bears. I just like picked up this one because this is representing both of them. Sorry. And so, yeah, they're really soft and I just really like it. So, yeah. The ears are especially really soft. And my next favorite squishy is this Poly Star Macaron. So here it is. Oh my gosh. So here it is. It's super duper soft and it has yellow filling. It's really soft, like I said. I already said that. And again, I'm really sorry for the lighting. I'm trying to like cover it with my head, but like there's not really any other place. And I'm also sorry if you can hear my chicks. They're being kind of loud. My next favorite squishy is this mini Baby TV Poly, the gray one. So this is super cute and I love the color. It is like a light gray. It looks darker on camera, but it is a really light gray and it's really pretty and it's adorable. And it's super duper soft. But there is the little like dust pluggy thingy, like this little thing. It goes down till about like here. So like right here, you can't really like squish it. But like on the sides, you can squish it, and on the bottom. So yeah. So my next favorite squishy is my I Bloom Cutie Pineapple. So here it is. It hasn't risen yet, but like really satisfying to squish. It's too slow rising. So my next favorite squishy, which this is representing like all of the Silly Squishies brand squishies. So I just chose a random squishy of my Silly Squishies brand, and it appeared to be this one. So it is the Princess Silly Poo. All of the Silly Squishies are all super duper soft and slow rising. Like this is like super small. Like it's like the size of my palm, and my hands are not that big. And it's like super slow rising for that small of a squishy. And all of them are all super duper cute. Like this is like a princess. Like it's literally a princess, and the crown has like hearts on it. It's literally a princess poop. So yeah, so my next favorite squishy is this I Bloom Cloud Bear, and this is representing both of, or like all of the cloud bears, because I have two of them. I have like the purple and blue one, and I have this one, and they are super soft and super big and super slow rising and super airy and smell super good. So yeah, so here it is. And the back is super satisfying. So yep, and it smells like strawberry. And there is like 3 more, I think. So let's just move it along. My next favorite squishy is my I Bloom Marshmallow Bear. This is like one of my all-time favorites, honestly. It's like super soft and airy and sticky and smells so good. Smells good. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. So yeah. And the last of my, not the last, the next of my favorite squishies is my Pop Pop Sheep. This is like my all-time favorite. It's amazing. It's like super soft, even though it, yeah, that kind of explains itself. I keep on dropping everything. Oh my gosh. Okay, but anyway. And my last favorite squishy is my I Bloom Le Bain Francais. Can't really see it in the package, but I will take it out. So it does kind of look like a turd, but that's okay, you know. Yeah, it's chocolate. It smells so good. It smells really good. Sorry. I'm sorry. But anyway, here it is. It does look kind of realistic from like afar. This is like possibly my most softest squishy that I have. And yeah, so there's that. So that was my top 10 favorite squishies. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a big like, comment down below. And also don't forget to follow my Instagram. It is at HarpTalkZ. And subscribe. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye!